Yeah, too many problems. Honestly, when I go outside with friends, I have to remove my shirts, my breasts, they are, my body is okay, but my breasts, they are too big. So, I was hoping to get rid of this problem. So I had Gynecomastia for more than 16 years now. Since I was a teenager, I had, big breasts. And for the past 5-6 years, I've been looking for a way to fix them. And I came to Thailand this time, hoping to fix them. And I looked through many hospitals, and I came here to Rattinan, and the doctor I felt comfortable with. And the price was the best I could get, and they also ensured me the aftercare method to be fantastic. And I think this is my best option, so I'm here to hopefully do it. Yeah, too many problems. Honestly, when I go outside with friends, I have to remove my shirts, my breasts, they are, my body is okay, but my breasts, they are too big. So, I was hoping to get rid of this problem, so next time I go out with my friends, I can remove my shirt, swim in the ocean with them and everything, instead of having this. I did some operations here in Thailand before, and I trust the doctors here. And this is what I felt yesterday when I came and I spoke to Rattinan. Thereafter, I felt very comfortable talking to him, and I looked through what he did in his past, and I want this for this price. I really want this, I need this.